We're gonna be trying this today. Oh my god. I forgot how to film. I don't film for 3 weeks and I forget how to film. Fuck. Okay, so hold on a second. We're gonna try this One Size Secure the Sweat primer. I am a huge fan of the one. God damn, I'm high. That was fast. So I am a huge fan of the One Size setting spray. So I really want to try this, but I'm not gonna set my face at all. I want to see how this primer holds up my makeup without me setting it. I've really been into the dewy luminous look, especially since it's getting warmer in New York. I already did my skincare. All I used was, because I was feeling lazy, I used my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and then I used my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream because I want to do the whole serum, eye cream, all that shit. It comes with like a little, you see how when you get like ointment and it has the little sharp thing, you gotta stab the tube. Oh no, that's too much. That's too much. I was afraid that I wasn't gonna like this packaging because of that. It just oozes out. Yep, that's too much primer for me. I'm gonna have to clean the inside of this later. I'm so happy that it doesn't feel like a silicone primer. Ooh, instantly. Whoa, this really does mattify. See, I don't know if it's just really mattifying or if it's blurring my skin too. So I'm gonna put it in the areas where I have trouble with my makeup. You guys know that I hate my smile lines, and I might put a little bit under my eye too, since I'm not gonna set it. But eyes do naturally crease because we naturally have lines there. Kind of similar with laugh lines, but I keep thinking about like getting filler and stuff in my laugh lines, but I don't think it's a good idea with all the videos that I've been seeing. It migrates to your face and it never goes away unless you get it dissolved, and that shit looks very painful. For the perimeter of my face, I'm gonna just use setting spray like how I always do. I'm gonna mix my Haus Labs with my e.l.f. foundation. With my e.l.f. Halo liquid thingy. This is like, oof. This and the KVD foundation are my top favorite foundations right now. The only thing that sucks about the KVD foundation, every time I try to match someone to the KVD, I could never really find a good shade for anyone. I feel like I was kind of blessed that I have a shade that's literally like identical to my undertone and everything, but other people, I just can't find one. I feel like they really need to do a better job with their undertones because it's just not, I don't know. It's like with the KVD foundation, is either a little too light or too dark. I feel like Haus Labs, their selection is huge and their undertone is really good. The only thing with the Haus Labs undertones, like if you're at the store and you're trying to find your shade and you're reading the shades, it doesn't make any sense. The undertones don't really make sense because I can be a neutral tone. This is just an example. I'm neutral, right? But my Haus Labs foundation, it would be a warm or a cool. It wouldn't be a neutral. But you do find your shade in it. It's just you're gonna be confused about your undertone. Really loving this foundation. I know that I'm gonna invest in these concealers for my makeup kit because they're just amazing. The way that it applies, the applicator, the coverage, the finish, everything. I freaking love. This is like, goddamn. I'm so mad I tried this so late. This concealer is amazing. Move this over. So yeah, if you guys are in the market for a good concealer, I really do recommend Hourglass, One Size. KVD concealer, pretty good. Their undertone, they did a little bit better with the concealers. The finish and the coverage is bomb. I know I'm over here blending and stuff. I just wanted to talk about, my friends will send me videos how everyone is talking about how they're raising up the prices in makeup. So when I saw this video, I was like, God damn, the Dior lip oil was $50. The Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless filter is $60 now. I'm like, no way, this can't be. But the thing is that I wouldn't know because I already bought these products a long time ago. I did some digging on my own. I just went on the Sephora website and checked the prices if they really were that price. Shorty was capping. I'm like, all right, she either lives somewhere else where the prices are a lot higher, but it ain't no $60. Even though I get a discount, I bought this and I bought the Haus Labs lip oil, and that shit still came out to like 40 something dollars. I'm like, how the fuck? And then when I checked the price of everything, I'm like, well, damn, no wonder. Like, everything really did go up, but not as drastic as the video that I saw, but still. And it's like, what sucks what sucks about that too is like, damn, the prices are gonna go up when I'm fucking grieving, and when I'm sad, I like to buy shit. It only makes me happy for that moment. If you can control yourself with your spending habits, please, because it's just not worth it. There's a lot of things that just isn't worth it. But I care about my mental health, so I'm gonna buy what I want. So instead of my Patrick Ta powder blushes, I'm gonna use the cream on the top. Should I do She's a Doll? Yeah, I'm gonna do She's a Doll. I don't know if it's because, you know, since I've taken time off from life, I don't know if that's the reason, one of the reasons why I don't want to set my face anymore. I just don't want to go above and beyond with my makeup anymore. I want to be in glam, but I want to be in a softer glam. I don't want the overly powdered look. So I'll rather do my entire face, but with no powder. I'm probably gonna look like a little grease ball. I'm just using that same foundation to contour my nose. I met this girl at work. She was so freaking sweet, and I told her that I had a YouTube and TikTok, and she was like, can I follow you? I'm like, oh my god, yes you can. It's hard for me to like mention that I have a YouTube and stuff because I don't know, like sometimes it's like, you see how when you go to other beauty channels, they're more like on their professional, this is how you this is how you create this is how you avoid that, then we're gonna do this, then we're gonna do that. It's like, I smoke in my videos, I curse in my videos, I act a fool, I show more of me. Like, it's not just like, I like get ready with me's and stuff. I like venting to you guys. Sorry for trauma dumping. I feel like some people just be wanting to learn when like they're shopping for makeup and stuff, and I'm just here like being high as fuck, being a dumbass. I picked up my Danessa Myricks Duet Balm again because I remember, yo, I used to get so many compliments when I would wear this, especially in my videos, like, and I used to look so scrumptious. I added a little bit of some like loose highlighter to give it a bit of a color because I only have the clear one right now. I know these come in different colors, but I really want to try the Refi one. I think I'm gonna get it. See, it just gives you like that wet look. I love it. I want to talk to y'all about something. So it's like, I don't know if I should, because I don't know if I don't think I'll get in trouble for it, but it's just like kind of weird. You guys know that I work with certain hair companies. I only work with hair companies that I like, that I know that will provide me fire ass hair, and I don't have to lie about it. Other companies have reached out to me. I remember like in the past when I would purchase, because before I would purchase my wigs and I'll just try different brands out just to see which one is the best. So when certain companies will hit me up, I'll be like, nah, I'm good. I just don't like the quality of the hair. It doesn't work for me. Like, it looks crazy, super unnatural, like totally not beginner friendly, because I'm not a hairstylist. I'm a makeup artist. Like, no, like I don't know how to bleach the knots. Like, nah, I'm not about to fuck up this hair. I started to find more beginner friendly alternatives, so I only work with two companies, right? I work with Love Me and I work with Gorgeous. I made a little video for Gorgeous. I made it up myself. I just like went with the flow, like how I always do. When I get the wig, I always wait. Oh my god, like I can't believe I'm about to say this shit. When I get the wig, I always wait. Like, I don't don't like, if I get it and I'm not gonna film as soon as I get it, like I don't open it, put it on, check to see how it looks. No, I like to get like a real like reaction. Like I see a picture of it before, but I don't try it on to get my true opinion. I do that, right? I make the video. When you work with companies, they know how to, like, I uploaded my video the way that I recorded it, the way that I edited it. They let me do that. But when you send it to them, they switch it up. Like they make it shorter if it's too long. They just know how to like finesse your video, like to even make it better, get to the point. Like so fucking cool. I love that. One of my coworkers, she sent me the video, because it's like I never see my own sponsors. So she sent me the video. She was like, oh my god, look, you're on their Instagram page. So she showed me the video and I was like, oh my god, so cool. So then, and my videos got the most out of everybody in the page. But so then, not even, it was probably like a day or two after that I saw it, I saw an ad for the same company. Another girl was advertising the same hair, but shorty was repeating every single thing that I said. The hairstyle was similar to mine. The way she tried to react like me. She said everything I said word for word. I was like, oh my god, like at least switch it up. Like what the fuck? Like that shit kind of made me feel some type of way, but it kind of like boosted my ego a little bit, because it's like, yeah, I know I killed that shit. But yeah, I just never been through that before. Like I never seen anyone just full-blown copy me, like word for word. Like she probably watched my video over and over just to get that shit right. Okay, so even though I put this primer on, I like the fact that I'm still getting like a natural sheen on my skin. It didn't completely matte me out. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna do a little bit of liner and mascara, because I'm just not into falsies anymore either. I'm just doing the minimum. Like I'm kind of over the whole full face phase. I don't know what's going on. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I just finished doing my makeup. I'm just gonna curl my hair a little bit. I know this is completely off topic, but I'm gonna let this wear for a few hours. Right now, let me see, right now it's 3:41. I'm gonna come back in a few hours to let you guys know how my face is doing. And yeah, so far so good. I'm not creasing on my laugh lines yet. I'm creasing a tiny bit under my eyes, but like I said, that's perfectly normal. So yeah, we're just gonna be right back. Hey you guys, so I'm back right now. I'm on my phone because I already put everything away, but I just wanted to show you guys up close. As you can see, smile lines right here. I did eat some food, so some of my makeup came off. My under eye, you can see it creasing a little bit, but nothing too crazy. I honestly don't mind it, because if I have my brush with me, like if I want to continue on with this look throughout the day, I just have to carry my brush with me and just tap out my like little creases and stuff. But my makeup held up pretty freaking good. Like my blush is still on, my foundation, my bronzer and all that stuff is still on. I've reapplied a little bit of my gloss throughout those few hours. I finished doing my nails. I do like the primer. I love the fact that it doesn't have that silicone feeling. It just feels like a regular like creamy primer, but it does matte you out. I would say it did an amazing job keeping my makeup like this. That's my review. I like the primer. It's really nice. I feel like it's a good primer just for targeted areas if you're really oily and you don't want your makeup to move. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below and I'll see you guys soon.